Bata pa lang, hilig na ni Kimberly ang pagguhit. Pero ang kanyang talento, mas nahubog pa sa pagiging interesado nito sa animation. Kaya ikinatuwa niya ang alok na micro-credential course ng Pangasinan Polytechnic College o PPC sa Basic Animation.
Maganda to in a sense na mas magiging accessible para sa maraming tao yung mga courses na ganito, kaya ng animation na madalas nasa, yun nga, galing pa nga yung mga natin sa Baguio, di ba? Tapos sa Maynila, mostly.
Si Kimberly, isa lang sa 41 nagsipagtapos sa nasabing micro-credential course.
It's an introduction to animation. So basic animation siya. It aims to introduce the industry of animation and the tools that you might need when you want to explore the animation world. Animation kasi, yung industry ng animation, isa siya sa mga pangangailangan ng ng multimedia world. No? Marami naghahanap ng mga animators, especially here sa Philippines. So we want to bridge that gap na magkaroon tayo, makuha natin yung mga creatives natin dito sa probinsya para ma-explore nila yung world ng animation.
Maliban dito, 150 ang dumalo sa seminar ng Basic Animation ng PPC. Katuwang dito ang Cordillera School of Digital Arts Incorporated.
And the big idea is to decentralize Manila for careers in digital arts or animation. So we took a step, a leap of faith, so to speak, to begin a career. And it's something like this. We invited a lot of schools, institutions, students, and government to find out the careers in animation back in 2007. So 16 years later, we are here in Pangasinan to share with you our beginnings, our struggles, challenges, and things that we did to overcome.
Layon ng Polytechnic College na proyekto ni Governor Ramon V. Gico III na mabigyan ng mga Pangasinense ng pagkakataon na makapag-aral at matuto ng mga kaalaman sa higher education at technical vocational education.
The Center for Lifelong Learning is one of the divisions of PPC. First and foremost, lifelong learning is all learning activities undertaken throughout life for the development of competence and qualification. Its scope is expansive and it covers all learning occurring between cradle and grave, or early childhood to training of people beyond their retirement.
Ang kurso sa Basic Animation ang kauna-unahang micro-credential course na alok ng Center for Lifelong ng PPC. Charles Nicolimon para sa Luzon Headlines.